Data structure revolutionizes transport operations and maintenance by providing indispensable decision-making support. Real-time insights into vehicle performance, route efficiency, and maintenance needs empower operators to optimize operations, minimize downtime, and reduce costs. Moreover, predictive analysis offers a glimpse into the future, anticipating customer demands and preferences. Through slicing data to address specific reporting that provides meaningful information, transport services can be proactively adapted, ensuring on-time arrivals, personalized experiences, and enhanced customer satisfaction. In this data-driven landscape, analytics not only streamline current processes but also guide transformative improvements, fostering a more efficient, customer-centric transport ecosystem.
Like every, say 100 meters for instance, so I basically say, hey, start all train round to the nearest 100 meters essentially, and then start at every 10 meter increments. Because some train lines actually have negative measurements, so they start negative 200 meters because they all reference one platform in Roma Street essentially. Yeah, all those points actually come from the measurement